Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification for my next video. Today's video is about the latest updates about IDFC First Bank. Since my last video there are a couple of new updates are there. Just I thought of making a quick video on this one. So let's quickly start. The first point is actually on the merger update. So you can also check here, you can pause the video and check the link yourself. So the approval from the IDFC Limited as well as the IDFC First Bank's shareholders is already completed. This result also has been given back to NCLT. The approval, the shareholders approval has been, both the companies are already submitted to NCLT. The last final approval date actually has been given on 24th 7 2024. That means 1 month time has been there. I think this is the listing date. After that I think they may take a couple of days to give the final approval. However, I think by the time we will also get the quarter 1 result of IDFC First Bank as well. This is one latest update. And second, I think a little bit surprising news is the fundraise. So if I remember correctly, I think last time the fundraise happened at almost like 90 to 94 rupees range. Now currently I think they have come up with a fundraise again with a preferential allotment. So they have raised actually fund of 3,200 crores rupees. Of course, I think the capital adequacy ratio was less, almost like 13 something. By raising this amount, it's going to rise by to 17.45, which is a comfortable level for IDFC First Bank Limited, and also the book value has been increased. And in this list, if you see, I think there are also, I think, uh, good companies are there which are actually onboarded. So LIC, 2.68% they have taken. Similarly, HDFC Life, Aditya Birla, Bajaj Allianz, ICICI Lombard, as well as SBI General Insurance. Most of these companies, actually, the insurance companies. However, it doesn't matter. Actually, if you see, last time it was fundraise happened at 94, now it's 80. So if you're looking for some company which the downside is limited and upside is more, or I would say limitless. I mean, it of course it depends on the long period of holding time. This is one company. In my opinion, I think this will never definitely come down below 75 or 70 rupees. I think from now onwards, I think definitely it should go up. Mr. Vaidyanathan also confirmed that actually from quarter 3 onwards, the minimum profit will be 1,000 crores per quarter. If that is the case, definitely I think this will now onwards keep going up and up. So this is actually the document from the. I think this is one of the screenshot from the document which was posted along with this preferential issue. As you can see here, the now the fund book value of the bank has been actually increased to 47.36. This is very good thing. I think it was 45.49 earlier, almost like there is a rise of 2 rupees because of this 3,200 crore rupees fundraise. So valuation and targets, as you can see, I think currently the book value is almost 2 lakh crores in as on March 31st, and RBI is also expected to reduce the repo rate. I think this was I was also keep on telling in my last videos also. I think these are all the latest updates on that. I think Bank of Canada has already yesterday itself there was a news that they have cut the interest rates globally, and also European banks actually they have also cut the rates for the first time. So the next is actually US as well as Indian banks also will start. I mean RBA also will may think of cutting the rates if the inflation is under control. Probably before December, definitely this is going to happen. This is very good thing. And next thing is also deposits compared to actually this is also one of the quote I picked up from the uh, newspapers. So we can see here IDFC First Bank's CASA ratio is among the highest, which is actually almost at 47.2 as on March 31st. I think if you know all other banks are actually struggling to get the deposits, but somehow this bank is able to increase the deposit rates. As you can see here, it was started when the merger happened, it was nothing. So from that level, I think this bank has risen so good actually. This is also one of the positive point. And Coming to the next point. So GNP and NNPA, I think this is also, as you can see, as actually this is come down to a great level now. So it's 0.44 and 1.38. This is for the retail loan book. As you know, 85% of the loan book is in retail. So this is really great thing. So as you can see here, NNPA and GNPA is less. Another thing is also, Indian banks gross NPAs all-time low, as well as provision coverage ratio has also been reduced. If you see other banks, it's 77.4. Actually, if you see IDFC First Bank, it is 86.6. So that means, I mean, whatever the write-offs are there that have been done, 87% almost, and the NNPA and GNPA is also taken care. Fund has been risen at least 3,200 crores. The capital adequacy ratio has been also taken care. The next thing is only on the profitability. Even the branch expansion has been done at a very rapid phase. Almost, I think now the current number of branches is at 944. So let's come back to the valuation. As I was saying, now 47.36 of it is Fundraise. This is as on March 2024. I think in 1 month's time, this quarterly result will be declared. I think at least I will see 1 rupees will be added into the book value. 48.36 will be there. And of course, the merger will also bring in. I think NCLT approval is on 24th. I think within 1 week's time after that, I think I'm expecting a final approval from NCLT. If that happens, I think the book value is also increased by 5%. If I add this one, the book value should become 50.7. So considering the, even if you give a normal price to book value of 2, the price should become 101.4. And if you give private banks valuation currently, because of the HDFC merger and other things, as well as other banks, I mean, like public sector bank and all, because of the BJP government came into picture, I think they are getting the premium valuation. Public sector banks are getting premium valuation compared to private banks. So this will anyway, I think, move other words. So definitely private banks also will start getting the valuation. If we give a price to book value of 3, the price should become 152.1. This is, as I'm saying, current book value. I think in 1 month's time this will be the book value. So of course, if you wait for another 1 year, definitely the book value should go to 55 or something. 55 into 3, if you make 165. I think that is where the, by December or the financial end of 2025, at least I'm expecting the price should become 165. So this is again, I'm not a SEBI registered financial advisor. This is, I'm giving you the fair valuation, but again, the re-rating can happen anytime. I think I also made another video on the Jeffries report. I think they've given a target of 100, and also they mentioned different reasons why the re-rating can happen. So please also watch that video. I am definitely convinced that they should definitely kind of at least double from here in 1.5 to 2 years time. This is my reasons for that. Please also do your own delegations before buying the stock. Yeah. And apart from that, just I wanted to collect the different targets given by different analysts. So here this came on 21st, given by ICC Securities. They have given a share price of 95. Anyway, Geojit BNB, they are actually given a target of 86, which is actually currently 10% from current price. Yesterday's price was 77.53. Similarly, Axis Direct has given a target of 104. As you can see here, this is almost like 34% from the current level. And anyway, this is world rating, ICICI Banks and Motilal Oswal. Definitely, I think as you can see here, all of them are more than, I think, 10 and above that. So I hope this quick video helped you. Thanks for now. Please subscribe and support. Bye.